What's up, everybody? Once again, Down South Done, back at you with another video. So, I'm out here today to tell you guys about the Sidewinder Exhaust, the 2-in-1 S&S Sidewinder Exhaust. Give you guys a quick review. I've had it for a little while, wanted to do some tests, of course, and have it for a little while before I made any kind of comments on it. I gave up a D&D exhaust for this, and the D&D sounded kind of tingy to me, real loud, kind of rattly, and I mean it was okay, but it was chrome for one. I did get it with the bike, so I didn't pay for it, and I decided just not to keep it. I wanted something a little bit deeper, a little bit more raspy, and it seems like everybody and their grandma, you know, have a D&D, especially in Texas, since D&D is from Texas. But anyway, so this S&S kit, it was full heat shields, 2-in-1. I prefer 2-in-1 because of the performance. Not only to me that you get more compression out of that. The compression is great. You get a little bit more horsepower instead of just running, of course, slip-ons like most people do. So I'm gonna give you a test as far as, a sound. Gonna hook my GoPro to the back of the bike while I'm riding and give you a taste of that. And I'll also give you a quick rev test. So here it is. And this is being shot from my iPhone, so I'm sure the sound is gonna be a little bit different for the both of them. As loud and tingy. I could actually ride with this without my helmet on, and it's not killing my ears. And this is without the baffle. Now this is the competition version, so the competition version is more like straight through, no center baffle. As well, it does come with a small baffle that you can insert here in the back, which kind of quiets it down a little bit more. But I mean, I enjoy it. I like it. So there's a big difference between the two. This one, like I said, it doesn't ring my ears when I ride without my helmet, or my full face helmet, I should specify. So let me make sure you guys get a good taste of this while I'm riding. Let you see how it sounds when I'm shifting gears. And also, don't forget, if you hadn't got it, make sure you guys get your seat lock. They are on my website, www.downsouthdone.com. I just love that red when it pops with my tail lights. I'm feeling it. Alright, so let me hook up the GoPro and give you guys a little taste of it while I'm riding. Alright, so I got the GoPro mounted, and ride out real quick, let you guys get a taste of it. And it's sorry it's so windy out here, but yep, got to work with what I have. So the sound is coming from the GoPro 8, and it's not as close as I'd like it to be, so you get a true sound. But I guess it will probably be, you're not going to get a true sound coming from YouTube anyway, or from your speakers. I guess if you put a headset on, maybe you get a better idea. But anyway, let's get riding and let's see what this thing sounds like. about sums it up. It's hella windy out here, so I don't know if you guys got a good sound of it, but nice little gallop, nice low tone, which I love. It's not ringing my ears, you know, like crazy. And I probably never go back to a D&D. And you know, that's not to say anything, you know, toward those guys. Just not my flavor of exhaust. So, and I had an issue. My bike fell completely dead on the freeway the other day, which was kind of weird to me because me and a buddy of mine was just riding, and we pulled out. I get on the freeway, excuse me, and we rolling, you know, having a good old time. Now, to give you a precursor about what's happened before, my battery voltage runs high sometimes, and that day in particular, it actually ran pretty high. And it's been doing that, like every time I cut the bike on, the red light would come on, and it would go up to a point to where the light would stay on for a while. I'd cut the bike off, cut it back on, cut it off, cut it back on. Eventually the light would just disappear. Had the techs check it out before. They said they couldn't figure out what the problem was. So as of 2 days ago, last Thursday, the bike completely fell dead on the freeway while riding, and I have no clue on what the hell was happening. The bike would not start up. I had to coast to the side of the freeway, and we had to go and get a U-Haul trailer to go and, you know, take me to the Harley-Davidson. So no matter what I did, checked the bike out, couldn't figure out what was wrong. It wouldn't start, wouldn't turn over, no power at all. Every time you turn the key, nothing. Just dead. So eventually they got it to start after they took the battery apart, or took the battery loose from the terminal, disconnected it, and they checked the wires. Say they found nothing wrong with it, and the bike fired right up. They rode it for a while, cut it off and on 20 times or so, and that was it. So it was awfully weird to me, weird to them, yet still have no clue on what was wrong with the damn thing. So if you guys have had an issue with your bike, something similar, or if you know or have any idea what might be wrong with it, and it hasn't done it since then, you know, I hope it doesn't, but if it does, then I'll be sure to tell you guys about it to keep you abreast about it. But if you've had this issue, be sure to comment in the comments below and let me know that you had this issue, or you may know what may be wrong with the bike, since the techs can't seem to figure it out. But so far so good. I've been riding it, put another 200 miles or so on it, still haven't had an issue. And the bike does have 50,000 miles on it, which, like I said, haven't given me an issue or a problem since I've had the bike. So let me know. I mean, I'm baffled. So yeah, if you guys come up with ideas, please give me some insight. Down South Done out. By the way, don't forget to go to downsouthdone.com. Get your merch, bars, your seat locks. We got gear, got boots, t-shirts, you name it. Be sure just to check the site out, and make sure you like and subscribe. That's the main thing. Down South Done. I'm out.